Rust is a multi-paradigm programming language that allows you to build reliable and efficient software. To install it on Ubuntu, you will have to use one command, and not the one that you expect. To install Rust on Ubuntu, simply add the following command. So you're going to use curl to download the installer and launch it. So I'm going to proceed with the installation, which is the default. I'm not going to customize anything. So it's downloading. Apparently now Rust is installed. I will have to restart this shell, or simply run this command: source helm cargo env. To check the installation, you will have simply to check the version of the language. And this is the version installed. To learn more about us, check the post in the description below. Bye!